All right, Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com. Real quick here today. Tesla, they report earnings on the 22nd. All right, that's next week. We like that. I like it when Tesla reports earnings because the stock typically moves pretty good. That's Wednesday after the bell, which means Thursday. This should be a real sporty day for Tesla. I have no sense of what the stock is going to do between now and then, or certainly right after earnings, but this is what I do see. I see here, this is, well, I'll just change it right now. I meant, a lot of you don't know what the heck I'm doing. Okay, here's the 200-day moving average, and then I'm going to add a moving average. 50-day moving average, not that. Okay, there, that's better. Anyway, so here's the 50-day moving average. Here's the 200-day moving average. But what I like about this is the 50-day MA is climbing, but this price is contracting. See, it's had a big move, great, nice move. Congratulations to those of you who made this trade because I sure didn't see it. But now the stock's grinding around here, and if there's any kind of positive reaction to the company's earnings release, and I don't really see anything happening before then we can see the stock break out to a new high because it's only like 7%. Only has 7% to go, not even that, before it hits this high. And that would be, I mean, forget about all this stuff back here. Nobody cares about it anymore. This is really the relevant, I'll say the relevant price action is right here. So when I'm trading, I look back and say, if it's more than 4 or 5 months old, it really doesn't even count. Just go ahead and burn that book. If it's closer than that, then all the resistance and support lines and stuff like that do matter. But with all of this big flat base here, almost 4 months, this is a good solid foundation for the stock to run higher. Now the question is this foundation enough to sustain another move higher? We will find out on Thursday. All right. That's all I got for you today. Short and sweet and to the point. Have a good weekend. I know I'm gonna. And I will see you all on Monday.